Why did my rice turn out undercooked?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're addressing a common kitchen predicament. Why did my rice turn out undercooked? Cooking rice might seem simple, but there are several factors to consider for that perfect, fluffy outcome.
Did you use the right water to rice ratio?
One of the most common reasons for undercooked rice is not using the correct water to rice ratio. Here's a general guide. White rice, 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. Brown rice, 2.5 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. If you use too little water, the rice won't cook properly. Make sure you're measuring accurately.
Was your cooking temperature correct?
Your rice could end up undercooked if the cooking temperature was too low. Once your rice and water mixture comes to a boil, you should reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid. Let it simmer without peaking. This traps the steam inside, cooking the rice evenly.
Did you allow it to sit after cooking?
Once your timer goes off, turn off the heat but leave the pot on the burner, covered, for another 5 to 10 minutes. This allows any remaining moisture to be absorbed, ensuring all grains are well cooked.
Are you using an older batch of rice?
Rice that's been stored for a long time can lose its moisture. This can affect cooking times. If your rice is old, you might need to adjust the water ratio slightly or soak the rice for about 20 to 30 minutes before cooking.
Was the pot lid airtight?
An airtight lid ensures proper steam circulation. If the lid isn't fitting snugly, steam escapes, potentially leaving you with undercooked grains. Always use a pot with an airtight lid or consider using aluminum foil as a makeshift seal under the lid. Cooking the perfect batch of rice requires a bit of practice and attention to detail. But with these tips in mind, you're on your way to mastering this essential culinary skill. Hope this video has cleared up some of your rice cooking mysteries. Happy cooking!